Hey guys, this is Arnab and this is the episode 2 of our journey series. Previously, I have told you from 6th August to 19th August, I think. Yeah. And this time in this second episode, I'm going to tell you from 20th August to what's today's date? Today is 14th. 14th September. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At 20th August, I started learning blockchain and I completed the module 1 of the blockchain. Like, if you guys know that I love blockchain and cryptocurrency and other stuffs like that, you people might know that thing. And I completed the module 1 that is about blockchain, how blockchain build and how blockchain works and blah blah blah. You can get this course through Udemy, and that's it. Go and search in Udemy that blockchain course, and you will get the good one. Okay. So at the first day, I completed the blockchain module, and the next day, that is 21st August, one of my friend told me that, Arnab, you should come to my house. And I was pretty bored. Like, I was in my home from Corona, I think, like from many days. Like, um, I forget. Yeah, I went outside of my house at Holi. Yeah. After that, I haven't went anywhere. So I decided to go to Kolkata. Yeah, Kolkata. I live in Malda. It's my hometown, and I went to my friend's house that's situated in Kolkata. So I get ready for that, like packing and other stuffs. And the next day, the journey started. And the next day, that is 23rd August, I reached Bhasur. Bhasur is my friend's name. And after reaching there, we went for Victoria Memorial, and we went for many places. You can see in the vlog, it's coming here and there, something like that. Okay, and then that's our journey. Okay, for only one day. Okay, or no, you went to Kolkata just for one day? No, of course not. Like, I was there for 7 days, I think. But rain. It was raining heavily, and I can't go outside of Basur's room. We played some games in his Nintendo Switch, and we have done many fun activities. And also, I went for studies because after doing all the fun, I feel like, okay, let's study for a little. And I doesn't study that much, so I completed the Bitcoin module, basically the proof of work. Okay, so after that, the next day, same heavily rainfall, and I completed the Ethereum module, and that is proof of stake, how that works and other stuff. And I completed the whole blockchain module. Okay, now I know about blockchain. I can't make any blockchain, I don't know how to build any cryptocurrency, but I know the all the basics about blockchain. So that was my blockchain experience. And then the next day, 26th August, the rain goes little down, and we went to barbecue nation, and we ate so much food there and it was so fun. And then the next day, that is 27th August, this day was the last day there, and we had done so much fun. We have watched a good movie, that is The Sixth Sense. Yeah, you can watch it. It's a horror movie. Then the next day, 28th August, I returned my home back. And then the 29th August, I take the day as a rest day. Like, I thought that, okay, I should take a rest for one day. Like, I went to a vacation where I have to study for 2 days. Not that much, but a little, for 2 days. So that's why I thought, okay, I should take a rest for one day. And then the next day, I start learning Figma. Figma is a UI tool, and you can make many websites through this tool. No, it's not like WordPress and Webflow, but it's more like of Adobe XD. Okay. Oh, I would prefer Figma above Adobe XD because it's better. Okay, finish. One line sentence, finish. It's better. It's free, it's online, it's offline. You can get it anywhere. But in Adobe XD, you will face many problems there. Okay, so if you guys wanna know that Figma or Adobe XD, go with Figma. You will not regret about it. Then from the next day, I start the most important thing, that is JavaScript. Yeah. And the whole day was gone by learning JavaScript. Then the next day was the same. The whole day I was learning JavaScript. And the next day, 2nd September, I completed the Happiness Manifesto by Prakhar K. Pravachan. You know, I think the Prakhar Gupta. This guy is so great. And go to his channel. The name is Prakhar K. Pravachan, and you will find superb kind of content there, and you can watch that. Basically, the Happiness Manifesto is on depression. No, I am not depressed, but I like that guy. That's why I have taken every single course of him. So go and subscribe his channel and watch his videos. You don't need to subscribe mine, you need to subscribe his channel. Okay, so the next day I completed a project with Figma. I will link it in description. Okay, like, no, I will not link it in the description, because in my third project of my CSS, my HTML and CSS, I build the same project, okay, of what I have built through Figma. So I will link the HTML and CSS project. Then the next day I completed my second project of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Yeah, basically I don't use JavaScript in that project that much, because I was learning JavaScript. I'm not the hero of JavaScript. I was just learning, and I make the website through HTML, CSS, and little bit of JavaScript. The hamburger menu I made with JavaScript. Other than that, everything is made out of HTML and CSS. You can take the project and make it with HTML and CSS. Okay, I'm going to give the link in the description. Okay, then I took another break and go for the Teacher's Day. This is 5th September. I went one of my favorite teacher, that is Torit Bosak. He was my math sir. I like that teacher so much. That's my favorite teacher. And after completing all the course, like, I am in college right now, second year of college. Still I am going to the teacher of class 12. Like, he is the best teacher I have came across. Then the next day was like JavaScript, and I got the haircut. Yeah, I got the haircut, you can see. Actually, I can't endure the big hairs, because previously my hair was like here. Like, I have this much hair. So, like, it's very past days, I think. Then after that, I doesn't take long hairs, and I cut the hair and like this all the time. Okay, so then the next day I published my CSSP1 and CSSP2. Okay, CSSP1 means CSS project 1 and CSS project 2. I deployed it because I learned at that day how to use Git. Okay, I know this is silly. I am a computer science student of second year of IISTC Pur, and I don't know how to use Git. I know it's so funny, but what can I do? Like, now I know everything about Git. Okay, so I deploy my website, my whole two website in Git, and you can see it in description. Okay, here, the two website. Then the next day went by learning JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript is so lengthy thing. Okay, and also I watched a movie, that is Rastasan. Okay, Rastasan, and it was a South Indian movie. IMDb 8.6, I think, and it's a superb thriller movie. Okay, superb thriller movie. You can watch it. You will love that movie, and then give a like to the video or something like that. Okay, watch this movie. Okay. Then the next day I completed my third project of CSS, that was CSSP3, and I deployed it. Basically, this project is the project from Figma, that website. Okay, you can see it in description. Then finally, at 10th September, I completed the JavaScript. So I was so well, like, I get everything at that day. I completed the JavaScript. Then I make a website out of the JavaScript at 11th September. That's a joke website. You can find any joke. Okay, like this kind of website. Then I watched a movie. That name is 404 Not Found. It's a thriller movie, you can say. It's a South Indian movie. 8.5 I am rating, I think. It's a good movie. Yeah, you can watch that. Then the next day, I start React.js. Yeah, what I have told that I have to know month stack development. In month stack development, MongoDB, Express, R for React. Yeah, and then Node. So I start React.js. In React.js, it's a library of JavaScript, and after learning that, you can make beautiful websites. Okay, so that was the thing. I start React.js. Basically, mainly JSX thing, compounds, props. I have learned at that day, and I watched a movie again. I watched a movie that was Rangi Tiranga. It's also a South Indian movie. You can find this all the movie in YouTube, and I will link the trailers of that movie in description. Okay, you can watch it. And then if you want, then what you can watch that. This is also a thriller movie. Okay, I love thriller and comedy movies. So the next day, I start learning React hooks. You have to learn React hooks, the user state, user effect, and other hooks there to master the React. Okay, the main thing of React is their hooks. So that was the 13th September. And then this this day, that is 14th September, I watched a movie Borat. Oh, I forget to mention the yeah previous day, like 13th September, I watched a movie Dictator, and it's so hilarious. Like you'd love that movie. You can watch that. I don't know the IMDb rating, but you'd love that. You don't need to judge any comedy movie by its IMDb rating. Okay, Arnab ke profession. Then the next day, I watched the movie Borat. You can watch it. I link the description. You can find it in torrent or something like that. I downloaded it from torrent. Yeah, I don't have any subscription of something. Okay, so that's the day. And today I discovered. I today basically I learned React a little bit, and my whole day was gone by discovering new things. And today I discovered a awesome thing, that is 3.js. And I have seen enormous website that has been made by 3.js. Okay, I'll attach a clip. You can see the website. Like this is so beautiful there, and I love that. And I thought that I will learn it, but not now. First, my goal is monster development, and also my laptop can't handle that because my laptop is a old age potato. Okay, and like this is Acer Nitro 5 Ryzen 5. Yeah, it's so old and backdated. And that's the thing for me. So now something I have to say. Like, can you see some changes of my health? Like, I don't know. I haven't done exercise properly because I went for vacation. That's the reason. So I don't know how much it's changed. Like, it's 1 month, I think. I think it's happened 1 month. After 1 month, I get this kind of thing. No, I am skinny guy still. I have to work on my health. I have to work on my web development and other stuffs. And oh my god, the investment thing. And you guys know that I am very fond of investments, and I took some course of Rachna, that is basics of stock market. The second one was, what was the second one? Yeah, fundamental analysis course, and the third one was technical analysis course. I will resume that after certain months. The mutual fund course, the value investing course, and the futures and option course. Futures and options course, most new course of CH. No, I am not giving any promotion. You can go to torrent and download it, but go to the through the legal way. Okay, like if you pay for any knowledgeable content, it will pay you more. Just think it, and that's all. Okay, and also I have got a good, what I was going to say. Yeah, I got a good 3.js course. I will link it in description. You can find it. It cost, I think, $95. And that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.